For decades, type 2 diabetes was considered a lifelong condition, something you could only manage, never reverse. But today, research paints a different picture. With the right strategy, many people are not only reducing their blood sugar levels, but achieving complete remission. In this video, we'll outline a 5-step action plan, grounded in science and real-world success. By the end, you'll understand how diet, weight, movement, rest, and tracking all work together to give your body the chance to recover. If you've ever wondered whether diabetes reversal is possible, this guide will show you the path. Step 1. Rebuild your diet around healing foods. Food is the first and most powerful lever. In type 2 diabetes, the body struggles to manage excess glucose. By removing processed foods and replacing them with whole, low glycemic options, you reduce that burden. A landmark study from Newcastle University demonstrated that when participants shifted to a structured, nutrient-dense diet, rich in vegetables, legumes, lean proteins, and healthy fats, many saw blood sugar return to non-diabetic levels within weeks. Think of meals built from roasted vegetables, lentil soups, fresh berries, and fish cooked in olive oil. These aren't exotic solutions. They're everyday foods with measurable impact. Step 2. Reduce weight to relieve insulin resistance. Even modest weight loss can transform blood sugar control. Research consistently shows that losing 5 to 10% of body weight improves insulin sensitivity, and for many, leads to remission. This isn't about extreme dieting. In fact, crash diets almost always backfire. What works is steady, sustainable change, smaller portions, mindful eating, and regular patterns. Over time, fat stored in the liver and pancreas decreases, and those organs begin functioning normally again. Step 3. Move your body to burn glucose. Activity is more than exercise. It's medicine. Each time your muscles contract, they pull sugar from your bloodstream and use it for energy. Studies from Harvard and the American Diabetes Association highlight that both aerobic activity and resistance training play a role. Walking after meals, light strength training, or even simple bodyweight movements at home are enough to make a measurable difference. What matters most is frequency. Movement should become a daily rhythm, not an occasional effort. Step 4. Restore balance through sleep and stress. Control. One of the most overlooked drivers of high blood sugar is poor sleep and chronic stress. Both elevate cortisol, a hormone that keeps glucose circulating in the bloodstream. At the University of Chicago, researchers found that just a few nights of inadequate sleep significantly reduced insulin sensitivity, even in healthy adults. For someone with diabetes, this effect is magnified. Building a consistent sleep routine, keeping your environment cool and dark, and stepping away from screens before bed can help restore balance. Pair this with daily stress management, breathing exercises, short walks, or quiet reflection, and you'll notice your readings improve. Step 5. Track, adjust, and stay consistent. Reversal isn't an overnight event. It's the result of repeated, steady action. People who succeed don't guess. They measure. Using a home glucose monitor or continuous glucose monitor allows you to see how meals, exercise, and sleep affect your body in real time. With that information, you can adjust quickly and stay on course. Doctors emphasize one truth here. It's not perfection that leads to reversal, it's consistency. Small repeated choices compound into long-term change. So here's the plan in full. Reshape your diet, reduce excess weight, move daily, protect your sleep, and monitor your progress. Together, these steps create the conditions where diabetes reversal is not only possible, but likely. I'd like to hear from you. Which of these 5 steps do you feel most ready to start today? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If you found this guide valuable, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if someone you care about is living with diabetes, share this video with them. It might be the start of their own reversal journey.